Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know that Google Chrome could be getting a new Everywhere Omnibox, which could look similar to the Edge search bar or the Google app for Windows. Now, just to let you know that just a couple of days later, that the Everywhere Omnibox has already become available in Chrome Canary, which is an early preview version of the browser, and is being developed under Project Loom, spelled Loom, and adds a floating search interface to the desktop. And if you're running Windows, can be launched using Control, Shift, and Space on your keyboard. And as we can see, it's basically an identical version of the Google search found in the browser. But unlike Chrome's normal Omnibox, the interface is not tied to the browser toolbar. Because as you can see, instead it opens as a standalone window centered on the screen. So if I just use Control, Shift, and Space to hide it, and if I just minimize the browser, Control, Shift, Space, there we go. So very similar to Edge's search bar and the Google app for Windows. Now I have found currently that I am unable to move it around my desktop, and I have to use Control, Shift, and Space again to hide it, as mentioned. And currently it works like a detached search bar, with AI mode, as you can see, being the center of everything. And it's got the built-in plus menu or add menu that adds options to upload images, upload files, and create images directly from the actual user interface. And the UI handles both traditional search and AI mode tasks from the same window. Now, according to Google, Google says that the feature is still an early prototype and it's hidden behind an experimental flag and is not expected to launch anytime soon. So if you are running Canary and would like to try out the new Everywhere Omnibox, what you would do is you would head into your experimental flags page and just type in Loom, Loom. Enable Loom enables experimental Loom features. Change that from default to enable. Restart the browser, and you will get the Everywhere Omnibox that you can test out. So obviously, as mentioned, it's still early days, but I'm keeping my ear close to the ground of this one. And obviously, if more information does become available, I'll post and let you guys know. And too early to say at this stage if it's going to make it to the stable version. I personally think it's a little bit redundant, but nonetheless, I'll keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.